Thank you for visiting our channel. We'll talk about the higher spirit and the effectiveness of intention in this video. A elusive and enigmatic idea that has been explored and debated for millennia is the higher spirit. It is frequently linked to spirituality and the ability to focus our thoughts and energy on a particular goal, known as the power of intention. In this video, we'll examine the connection between higher spirit and intention and offer useful tips for maximizing their influence in our daily lives. Learning about the higher spirit. An abstract idea known as the higher spirit is frequently linked to a sense of meaning or purpose in life. It is the aspect of us that connects to something bigger than ourselves and gives our life meaning and purpose. The greater spirit is referred to as the divine, the cosmos, or the source in many different civilizations. The influence of intention. The capacity to focus our thoughts and energies on a certain result is known as intention. It is a strong tool that can support us in achieving our objectives and bringing about our aspirations. Conscious, unconscious, and collective intentions are only a few examples of the various sorts of intention. Unconscious intention is when our energy is channeled toward a goal without our awareness, whereas conscious intention is when we intentionally focus our energy on a certain purpose. A group's collective intention is when everyone is focused on the same objective. The relationship between the power of intention and the higher spirit. Intentional power and higher spirit are intertwined. We are able to access a higher source of power and wisdom when we make a connection with the higher spirit. Our intentions will therefore have more strength and purpose as a result of this energy being directed toward them. Affirmations and visualization are strong tools that can help us communicate with a higher power and focus our purpose on a particular objective. We are clearly communicating to the universe that we are open to receiving by envisioning the result we want and affirming that it is now ours. Practical ways to use intention and the higher spirit power. To harness the power of purpose and establish a connection with the higher spirit, there are a number of doable actions we can take. Essential practices like mindfulness and meditation can put our thoughts at ease and help us get in touch with our inner selves. Another effective method for keeping our attention on the positive aspects of our lives and drawing in greater prosperity is gratitude. Setting specific goals, making a vision board, and journaling are techniques for developing intention and establishing a connection with the higher spirit. The advantages of using intention and communicating with the higher spirit. The advantages of using purpose and establishing a connection with the higher spirit are numerous. A few of the many advantages include improved general well-being, increased creativity and productivity, and a stronger sense of purpose and fulfillment. We can access a strong source of energy and direction that can enable us to reach our full potential when we make a connection with the higher spirit and focus our intention toward a particular objective. In summary, the higher spirit and the power of intention are strong instruments that can support us in achieving our objectives and leading more meaningful lives. We can access a potent source of energy and direction that can assist us in achieving our goals by establishing a connection with the higher spirit and focusing our purpose towards a particular result. We hope you learned something from this video and will put some of the useful tips mentioned into practice. I appreciate you viewing, and please remember to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. If you have any questions, don't forget to drop a message below.